This is most popular question of SSC. First of all, let's understand the statement of the question. What is the statement of the question? Statement of the question is, a boy goes to his school from his house at 20 km per hour. Okay. Boy goes to his school from his house at 20 km per hour. Then he reaches 11 minutes late. If he goes with a speed of 30 km per hour, then he reaches 9 minutes before. Find the distance between his house and his school. Guys, as we all know, time is equal to distance upon speed. Coming in the meeting, first person came in the meeting 9 minutes before and the second person came in the meeting after 11 minutes. So what is the difference between these two times? It is 20 minutes. Okay, it is 20 minutes. Let the distance from his house to school is d kilometers. Okay, if the person covers this d kilometer with the speed of 20 km per hour, then person will take this much time. Listen my words. If a person covers d kilometer with the speed of 20 km per hour, then definitely person will cover this distance in d by 20 hours. Okay. If the same person covers the same distance with 30 km per hour, then he will take d by 30 time. The difference between this duration and this duration is nothing but 20 minutes. Now solve this and get your answer. This is very easy question. Listen again, my dear students. If the distance between house and school is d kilometer, if this d kilometer is covered by the person in 20 km with the speed of 20 km per hour, then this person will take d by 20 hours time. If the same person covers the same distance with 30 km per hour, then the person will take this much time. The duration between these two timings is 20 minutes. Okay, so this is 60. 3d minus 2d is equal to 20 by 60. This will cancel out. D is equal to 20 kilometers. So this is the basic approach. And you know what, guys? For this topic, I will say for this topic, this approach is the best approach to apply. Always try to apply this approach. By this approach, you can solve the question in a single line. But for your mental satisfaction, I will tell you the second method also. We are having a difference of 20 minutes now. So to convert into hour, we need to divide it by 60. Okay. Dev Singh is saying, sir, how we are getting 20 minutes? Dev Singh, listen, the difference between the time of 11 minutes late and 9 minutes before is 20 minutes. Perfect.